welcome to Always Alyssa. How are you guys doing today? I am at Disneyland right now without my parents, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun. And right now, I just happen to be in California Adventure, and I'm gonna do one of my favorite things, which is get free bread, because everyone loves free stuff, right? In fact, I love getting free bread here so much. I remember when I was younger, we used to get free bread all the time at Disneyland, and we even went to go get the free chocolate, which is like across the way, and then we had chocolate and bread sandwiches, which I know sounds so disgusting, but when I was younger, I liked it, so yeah, that's what I did. Thank you. I'm so excited. I just went in and she gave me 3 bread samples. That's the best. Also, I'm sure you'll notice my little Groot that I have on my shoulder. So cute, huh? Now I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff they have today for the Food and Wine Festival.
That's really cute.
Life is great. I like this one.
It's really cute.
This is so cool. He's painting a huge mural. Look, a hidden Mickey. We're about to go on Goofy's Sky Scroll ride, and we never go on this one, so it's gonna be pretty
Thrilling.
Yeah,
it's way too thrilling.
It's very thrilling, and we hardly ever go on it, so now we are.
Get out, jerky.
We just got off the ride, now we're looking at this garden. Gonna walk it coming up, but then he messed up.
Well, that's okay. That's a brother for you. I don't know what David's doing.
Yeah, me neither.
I don't think David knows what he's doing.
I don't.
Okay, let's take a picture. Ready? Smile.
Now we're going on the main ride because it has a super short wait. We're almost done with the line and we're about to get on.
Down, carburetor down.
Be brave, you guys.
I don't know if I can do this.
Be brave. You can do it.
How about I ride with the door? It's scary.
No, I think it's time for you guys to branch out on your own. You're ready.
I'm so scared.
You sure?
Yeah, I have faith in you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
We're a little nervous leaving them alone over there. But it's a risk we're willing to take, apparently.
We stopped to look at pins and now we're doing Disney trivia.
Yeah, but how do you get there? You gotta know the
We're doing another trivia question.
Then you have to go.
We're getting pretty good at this. Now we're going on Radiator Springs and we're going to do the single rider line because it's usually a lot faster than the normal one. Okay, we just exited California Adventure back there, and now we're gonna head over to Disneyland. So, you guys know there's usually Mickey here, but since it's Women's History Month, they've changed it to a Minnie. Aww.
I just snapped my fingers, car will actually fly.
Oh. Oh.
That's the thing.
Right now we're going to Toontown, which we don't normally do, and that's because they're doing a lot of changes and it's going to be closed down for at least a year. So we're going to go visit it one last time. We're going into Toontown now. We're looking at Toontown one last time before it changes a lot. Chip and Dale's Treehouse. It's so cool.
It's adorable.
We just finished walking around Toontown. I can't wait to see it in like a year or two when it's done being remodeled and stuff. That'll be cool. But for now, we're going on Small World. One of my favorites, of course, the classic. It looks like this ride has a pretty short line, so that's good. Look at that, 5 minutes. I just love short lines. I mean, who could ever like long lines, am I right? We're going to the treat shop now. We're gonna get a treat before we leave. These all look super good, but I think I'm gonna get the peanut butter square. I like this one. Well, we're heading out of Disneyland now, but before we go, I'm gonna show you guys my peanut butter square. We're gonna try them as soon as we get to the car, but we're heading to the bus right now. Okay, so we're in the parking lot now at the car.
Yep.
We actually used the car as a tripod to hold our phone on it, but we're gonna try our treats now. So we both got the peanut butter square. It looks super good and it smells good too.
This looks so good. I can't wait to try
Okay,
it.
ready, set, go. Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's
I
so
don't know what
good.
exactly is in it. But it's really good. It has like nuts in it.
This is like the best dessert they have here.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Look how cool. Tastes great. Well, I hope you guys loved my video today. I had a lot of fun coming to Disneyland without my parents. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!